Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Jesse James from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with green beret for his jacket. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his trousers done with a base coat of British Khaki. For all of the exposed skin, I went for a once over of Sunny Skin Tone. Well, I say once over, Sunny Skin Tone does take a few coats to get some decent coverage. The small piece of his shirt that is shown is done with Trooper White. You can also dot in the eyes at this point, I just didn't think of it until much later in the process. Getting all the leather parts done, I went with German Camo Black Brown. Moving on to the highlights, I get started with Troll Snot Green over all of the raised folds and flat areas of his jacket. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over of Plague Brown. Now for his knee pads, hat and a highlight on his trousers, I used Cork Brown. Adding a highlight to the leather parts, I went for Rodent Grey, just over the edges. This is also where I realised I hadn't done the eyes yet, so I've added the shadow part in now, and I'm just going to bring them back up when I bring up the shirt again. For the highlight on the skin, I went for Elven Skin from Two Tin Coats. To highlight his hat and knee pads, I went for Skeleton Legion. Onto the metallics, all of the weapons get done with gunmetal, and there isn't really anything else, so it's just the weapons for the metallics. Getting started on the washes, I used Necrosis green wash over all of the clothing. Finishing off the washes, everything else gets a once over of Archaic Sepia wash. With the washes dry, I needed to bring up the shirt again so it actually looks white. I used Trooper White on this again and just brought up some of the larger parts and dotted in the eyes. Finally, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Jesse James, a nice easy mini with actually eyes painted for once in my minis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.